It is an open secret that the traditional payments industry struggles with keeping up with today's digital society. Legacy technologies like SWIFT mean cross-border payments can take days to process and often incur huge fees. Furthermore, the risk of fraud and financial loss due to using traditional financial systems is also alarming. This is something that Utrust and the Hold app are looking to tackle. Utrust, native token UTK, is a blockchain-based platform that combines elements from traditional payment systems with the advantages offered by cryptocurrencies. The platform allows users to purchase goods digitally or physically with their favorite encryption or tokens while providing a system of consumer protection. The coins are held in escrow until the transaction is completed. In case of a conflict, the solution is resolved by Utrust. Utrust is developed by a team of active, skilled, and talented people with diverse backgrounds and experiences, combined with the passion for new technologies. The company streamlines the exchange between merchants and consumers by leveraging the power of blockchain and making payments cheaper, faster, and safer. Using this model, there is no need for massive operational costs or conversion fees, which is supposed to be reflected in consumer costs due to UTK's tokenomics. The product makes the option of accepting and making cryptocurrency payments available to everyone who wants to venture outside of traditional finance. In addition, Utrust processes all the payments on-chain, while companies like PayPal are closed database systems that claim to process cryptocurrencies but don't operate on the blockchain itself. This is a game changer for merchants, as it makes it easy to accept payments in crypto. Merchants can instantly convert crypto payments into fiat or keep crypto assets on their balance sheet. Additionally, Utrust helps to prevent fraud and chargebacks. For individuals, Utrust aims to change the way we shop online. Paying for goods and services using crypto has historically been cumbersome. Many merchants simply opt out when it comes to taking payments in crypto for simplicity's sake and avoid the complications of price fluctuations. However, Utrust has simplified this process by allowing users to make payments using cryptocurrency to make it easy for merchants to manage and keep track of. Utrust transactions begin with buyers first searching for merchants that accept cryptocurrencies. The buyer is charged a total payment fee that covers a 1% commission and conversion fee. This is used to convert crypto into fiat with their own conversion rates. A merchant's website can see if Utrust is an integrated application. Once the purchase is complete, the fiat money is held in escrow, a contractual agreement that is only released after a holding period, pending a dispute in the transaction. Finally, the seller receives the payment in fiat currency, which they can withdraw or convert to other cryptocurrencies. The security backs UTK that blockchain offers and its well-known transparency. Utrust creating something unlike any other centralized payment platform. It has developed a payment gateway that has advantages for both merchants and consumers. Additionally, the protocol native token UTK serves as an incentive to users while driving the continued expansion and development of the protocol. The payment protection for consumers that Utrust has in place means that if you as a consumer return a faulty or bad product to the seller, then Utrust will return your payment to you. So Utrust is designed in such a way to offer you what you will get on centralized platforms without giving you the problems you face with these platforms. The platform makes it easy for merchants and consumers to access a swift and cheaper payments process while providing immediate crypto to fiat settlement. That means you can pay or receive payments in major cryptos and ERC20 tokens on Utrust and have them changed instantly to fiat currencies like USD. Overall, the Utrust claim features make it the safest payment platform in the world for both buyers and sellers. Utrust covers all purchased goods and most services, while traditional solutions like PayPal can only protect physical purchases. Cryptocurrency-based services like BitPay don't include anything. Unlike traditional payment systems that delay payment approvals due to the high risk of fraud, Utrust approves payments immediately, making the process less complicated for both parties, the buyer and the seller. Obviously, BitPay offers similar advantages, but PayPal doesn't. Nobody likes to pay fees for the money they are making. Utrust charges the seller 1% of the fee for the payment received. Meanwhile, services like PayPal charge 2.9%. These fees may increase to 5% or more when calculating exchange rate charges and other hidden costs. Also, Utrust accepts the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, and other products. Utrust claims to leverage the power of blockchain to avoid credit card fraud. However, the website doesn't go into more detail on the process. Users have complete control over their own keys and funds. Even Utrust cannot access your wallet, and merchants will be protected from rampant credit card fraud and nasty rebates through Utrust. The token was launched in November 2017, and an ICO was staged where around $21 million worth of tokens were sold. The total supply of the UTK token is 500 million, and more than half of this was shared at the ICO event. The token distribution saw pre-sale events gulp up about 30% and around 10% dedicated to development purposes. To promote the use of the UTK token and boost the price, users don't have to pay any exchange rate fees when making payments with the token. Also, new incentives are introduced, such as enabling users of the platform to be rewarded with UTK for spending instead of just being token holders. These incentives boast and expand the utility of the UTK token. Additionally, a part of the transaction fees is used to buy UTK that are then burned to increase the token's value. Now, let's get down to some of the Utrust price forecasts for 2022. The token has enjoyed a steady rise, and it could well ride on this bullish market to produce quite a great run. Investors will be keen to find out where the token is headed in the market. Is it up or down? Price predictions are a good way to find out. Based on Wallet Investors' research, Utrust is seen as a profitable investment option for investors. Their projection for Utrust is that it will reach as high as 60 cents and give you an earning potential of 47.09%. The token is not expected to experience a drop in price or a crash. Over to YouTube and what its crypto community is saying concerning the Utrust price forecast. According to YouTuber Crypto Busy, the potential that Utrust has to offer can see it rise to a new all-time high of $1.40 and likely reach as high as $2. He predicted that it could go even further if we do see an insane bull run come in the market. So if you believe in a long-term growth thesis for the Utrust platform, it is always a good time to invest. The online payments industry is enormous. As Utrust begins to establish new contracts with major merchants, the platform could easily increase its market share, driving up the value of UTK tokens. If creating short-term value is your priority, the long-term vision for Utrust isn't as important as the immediate UTK price outlook. Focus on technical indicators and adopt an observant strategy to maximize returns by purchasing UTK low and selling it high. Volatility can sometimes be your friend. Utrust provides a frictionless online shopping experience for consumers that makes it simple for merchants to accept a range of digital currencies. Furthermore, users get all the benefits of traditional payment methods while also benefiting from blockchain technology advancements. The SWIFT payment system is notoriously slow, and wire transaction fees can be sizable when sending remittances. Alternatives like PayPal may provide a quicker alternative, but the associated fees are extortionate. With Utrust, merchants can take advantage of fast, borderless settlements. Also, Utrust saves users a great deal in fees while accommodating a wider customer base. As such, merchants adopting Utrust are essentially bootstrapped for a new economic paradigm through which crypto payments are painless, less risky, and straightforward. Utrust aims to democratize payments and promote global cryptocurrency adoption using digital currencies to empower businesses and individuals with blockchain payment solutions for the future. This could boost emerging economies by providing a simple, accessible, and borderless banking system. Utrust attempts to combine the best of blockchain and traditional finance with the consumer in mind. To do this, the company uses a robust tokenomics system with a clear incentive structure and third-party consumer protection mechanisms that it borrows from traditional finance. Cryptocurrencies are often accused of having no intrinsic value. Still, UTK takes that criticism to task, as the payment platform aims big in its attempt to dethrone PayPal and other payment giants. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on UTK? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.